Welcome to Mexico, everybody. Tijuana, Mexico, to be more specific. And the hotel here, staying here in Tijuana, is pretty nice, isn't it? It's pretty good. I'll give you guys a tour in a minute. The boys are checking in at the lobby downstairs. Have a little sitting area behind me with a view out to the avenue. There's a little sitting area, so let's give you the tour. We have our own personal cactus on the floor here. Here's a look at the, I think this is the back down here, but it's pretty nice, huh? Down the hallway here. This is the way down to the lobby here. Kind of nice. Downstairs. It's kind of cool. Old record player. Books for reading. Kind of nice, huh? Like this mural on the wall at the end. So let's go inside the room. See, it's not huge, but it's very clean looking. You have Wi-Fi here. Got your little desk for sitting. It's like a nice bed. It's looks like a queen size. It's nice, very simple but nice. Here's the view out the window. Bienvenidos, welcome to Mexico. Let's check out the bathroom here. Very simple but very clean. Not bad. I'll be comfortable here tonight. Appreciate you guys being along. Let the Mexican adventure begin. Kev, it's a pretty cool place that you found here. There's Kev, the Grandmaster there, running around. All right, guys, thumbs up or appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.